To drink.
To drink.
She drinks water after exercising.
She drinks water after exercising.
To eat.
To eat.
She eats an apple every day.
She eats an apple every day.
To run.
To run.
I run every morning to stay fit.
I run every morning to stay fit.
To read.
To read.
She reads a book before bed.
She reads a book before bed.
To write.
To write.
She writes in her diary daily.
She writes in her diary daily.
To speak.
To speak.
They speak English fluently.
They speak English fluently.
To listen.
To listen.
He listens to music while working.
He listens to music while working.
To walk.
To walk.
We walk to school together.
We walk to school together.
To sleep.
To sleep.
She sleeps early every night.
She sleeps early every night.
To work.
To work.
He works in an office.
He works in an office.
To play.
To play.
They play football on Sundays.
They play football on Sundays.
To study.
To study.
I study English for 1 hour a day.
I study English for 1 hour a day.
To sit.
To sit.
She sits by the window and reads.
She sits by the window and reads.
To smile.
To smile.
She smiles when she sees her friends.
She smiles when she sees her friends.
To jump.
To jump.
The kids jump on the trampoline.
The kids jump on the trampoline.
To sing.
To sing.
She sings beautifully in the choir.
She sings beautifully in the choir.
To cook.
To cook.
He cooks dinner for his family every night.
He cooks dinner for his family every night.
To buy.
To buy.
They buy fresh vegetables from the market.
They buy fresh vegetables from the market.
To laugh.
To laugh.
We laugh at funny jokes.
We laugh at funny jokes.
To help.
To help.
She helps her friend with homework.
She helps her friend with homework.